Okay, let's start with some definitions with perpendicular bisectors. So a perpendicular bisector, divide it into two parts. Perpendicular tells you that it's going to be perpendicular to the line segment, and bisector says it's going to split that line segment in the middle. So the perpendicular bisegment of a line is a line perpendicular to the segment at the segment's midpoint. So there's three symbols to look for in a picture. The right angle through the line to tell you it's perpendicular. And then my two slash marks here tell me that those two segments are congruent. A little slash tells you that they're the same length. So if you see a right angle in those two slashes, then you know it's a perpendicular bisector. Or if you know the line's a perpendicular bisector, you can add the right angle in the two slashes. The next definition is kind of a different one. It's called distance from a point to a line. This says that the shortest segment from a point to a line is perpendicular to the line. This fact is used to define the distance from a point to a line as the length of the perpendicular segment from the point to the line. So I call this my grocery store theorem. The reason I do that is because, think about it, when you're at the grocery store and you have your cart and you're walking the parking lot, you got to cross the street somehow, and there are tons of cars always coming. And the thing that annoys me the most is when people go diagonal to get to their car, because that's going to take them longer. To cross that street the fastest, you need to go straight across, making that right angle, because the shortest distance from a point to the line on the other side is the one that is perpendicular to that line.